It's a quickie! Sometimes we need to take a screenshot of something that's on our computer screen. So in this video, I'm going to show you, one, how to find a tool that does it and have it always accessible, and two, exactly how to do that. So if I don't have it accessible already, I go in here and write Snipping Tool. This is a default in any Windows computer. I see it here. I'm going to right click on my mouse and tell it to pin to taskbar. That way it's always available to me here. I make a new snip and I put the crosshairs in the corner and drag it down with my left mouse button, and I can save it or I can copy it, and that's all.